Hello guys, welcome back to the D&N Medical Series. I'm Damar and I'm here with a brand new video this week. Now if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and remember to follow our Instagram page at DN_Medical Series for more information. So today we're going to talk about, are your clitoris hood and clitoris normal? So what is the clitoris hood? It may be the first time you're hearing this term, but it's basically just a term for a flap of skin that actually covers the clitoris itself, and its major role is just for protection. So just like the foreskin in male, as well as a hoodie that you wear over your head for protection, it's the same kind of concept for this. So many women may explore their body, they may look down using a mirror and they're wondering, why is this shape differently, or is this shape normal? Does it look normal? Is the color normal? Right? But just like the labia, there's many different variation when it comes to the clitoris wood, right? So what is normal? You're normal. Okay, so whatever yours look like, that is normal. Remember guys, that everybody is unique and everybody will have a special shape and size. So where is this clitoris wood located? So you can use this picture to guide you. Remember that you have the labia minora, which is the inner lips, and you have the labia majora, which are the outer lips. Now the clitoris wood is at the very top of your inner lip, or what we call the labia minora, and this can be seen in the picture above. So what does this wood do? What it does is that it protects and covers the clitoris, as said before. So remember that the clitoris is very sensitive. It consists of about 15,000 nerve ending, and so if you're wearing any underwear or anything brush against it, it will get stimulated. So basically what the clitoris hood will do is prevent excessive stimulation and external irritants from affecting the clitoris. Okay, so it also consists of gland which produce lubricant called sebum, and this help to move this wood over the glands, and so it can expose the clitoris whenever you are aroused. So when you're aroused or stimulated, the hood retracts and expose the clitoris, and the glands of the clitoris, they become filled with blood and become engorged, just as how the male part would do. And this swelling is usually enough to move your hood aside and expose the clitoris gland so that it can be stimulated and you can get pleasure during intercourse. So if your hood is larger than normal, it may not retract as easily, and this can affect the ability of you to get proper stimulation. Also, it may not retract if you have adhesions on your clitoris, and this can be from bacteria, so buildup of bacteria in the area because you're not cleaning the area properly, or there's skin cells that are there, or sebum. Remember that the hood produces sebum as well. If it builds up under the hood, then it can be hard to retract, and so it may not expose the clitoris for you to get stimulation. So these adhesions, which can prevent the clitoris hood from pulling back, they can be prevented if you wash the area more frequently. Try not to be too harsh with it, as well as try soaking in a warm bath. That may help. If they are persistent and doesn't go away and you're still having this problem, please speak with your doctor. But what if you can pull it back yourself? Well, generally, yes, you can pull back the hood with your hands in the inner lip if you place your finger there. And this can be done for a person who have a thicker tissue of wood covering the clitoris, or based on the size, it may be bigger, so it's harder to pull back. So you can use your hand to pull it back, or sometimes experimenting in different positions can help that. All right, sometimes applying more pressure when you're stimulated can also help to bring more pleasure. So some things that can increase pleasure is using lubricant. So even if you're not dry, you can use lubricant, and this can add to the pleasure and stop the potential discomfort that it may have, especially if you have a larger clitoris hood. Also, you can use toys to help you, or just find the right positions, as I said before. So there are procedures that you can do, such as surgery, which can permanently reduce the size of the clitoris hood or the excess tissue that is overhanging it. This procedure is called oodectomy, or clitoral unwooding, right? And it's a surgical procedure, and it just reduces the size, as I said before, by removing excess tissue. All right, so that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.